I was diagnosed at 32 years old. 9 months before that, I was told I was too young for breast cancer. Then I found out I was pregnant, and then, 37 weeks, here's this diagnosis of stage 4 breast cancer. And, you got a newborn baby at home, and you've got a brand new cancer diagnosis. And my second diagnosis of stage 4 breast cancer came when I was 35. I was 20 weeks pregnant at the time. And I think I was more shocked the second time than I was the first. You don't expect to be hit by lightning, and you don't expect to be hit by lightning twice. And within a 5-year time period to go through this twice is just, it's a lot. But it can happen. It does happen. It happens to people every day. And you pick up the pieces and you keep going, and you change baby stoppers, and you do Komen race. You do a lot of Komen races, and you hope to keep doing Komen races for many, many, many years. The words that you're too young for cancer, just, they eat at me so much today now, because, at the time I was glad to hear that. That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to believe. And you never want to think that in your 30s or your 20s, even your 40s, you'd like to think that you're immune to that type of thing, and you're totally not immune to it at all. If anyone tells you you're too young for cancer, you're too young to worry about, you're too young for a mammogram, they're full of it. They're crazy. You're not too young. Cancer doesn't care how old you are, how much money you have, how much money you don't have, how many kids you have. If you're, successful and have a career you're working on, and it doesn't care. It will hit anybody just as hard, and it doesn't care at all how old you are. And you have to stand up for yourself. You have to advocate for yourself. You have to be able to know your body well enough to know that this is not right. This is something that I need to go get checked out. And if someone tells me that I'm too young for it, you go to another doctor. You keep going until you find somebody that will at least do a test and prove to you that, whether it is or is not, you need an answer, and you need to know. I've been on the race committee for 3 years. I've been going to the Komen race for 4 years. I do it every year religiously, whether I'm on the race committee, whether I plan a single thing or not. I will keep doing it for my daughters, mostly because I don't want them to be sitting here 20 years from now, 30 years from now, talking about the same thing and going through this themselves. I don't want that phone call that I had to make to my mother. I would be totally devastated if we're still talking about this 20 or 30 years from now. I'd love for it to be a distant, funny memory for them. I remember when I was 5, and here's silly pictures of bald mommy. I'd love for that to be a joke for them, and that would make me very, very happy.